Let's model a quick and easy trumpet in Nomad Sculpt. Using the tube tool set on the curve option, draw the basic shape of a trumpet. It doesn't have to be perfect. It helps to look at a picture to get the idea. Refine the shape in 3D space by adjusting any points that may overlap. Double tap on a point to make a sharper angle or turn. In the top tube tool settings, tap the radius option twice to allow adjustments of the radius for each point on the curve. Click on the hole option to ensure the ends of the tube are open. Adjust the radius of the points at the front end of the trumpet to create the bell shape. Then adjust all other radiuses to match the shape. Add a cylinder, scale it down in place. Duplicate it twice and adjust the shapes to create the valves and valve castings. Repeat the steps for the rest. Refine and add some details to your model. Validate your model. Add some metallic paint to your model with a bit of roughness. Add some lights and post-processing. Beautiful!